Hello, my name is Ben Simon,
And my name is Jackson Woolridge.
and today we're going to be trying KFC. And so I've never had chicken German fries or like Spanish fries or something, and we have this special QQB sauce, and we have some foreign pop, and so me and Jackson got different things. I got a quarter-pound chicken popcorn with German fries and a biscuit. And Jackson, what did you get?
I got a three-piece dark meat or light meat. I don't know what the difference is. Drumsticks, I think that's what you call it. With Chinese fries and a biscuit.
Okay, so here's what it looks like. I'll give you a closer look. It has the P for KFC, and I guess it's from Illinois, and I guess it is a kitchen. So, I've seen this from a football team called the Saints, and they are like the worst team ever, so that's not a good sign. But at least they have holes so that the food can breathe. That's good. So, first, before we get into the good stuff, we're going to try this pop soda, I think it's called. So, Jackson, why don't you kick it off with what you have?
Alright. Well, I have something that looks like wet poo with ice in it, and I think they pronounce it kook or
Karark?
crack.
I don't know.
Ekok, I think.
Wait, is it Pepsi?
Pepsi?
Peppy?
No.
It's something.
It's kook. I think it's kook.
Yeah, it's definitely kook. So how was your kook?
Can be better.
Okay.
I can taste a lot of water in that. It's doesn't really have the flavor in it. So KFC, step up your game.
Okay, and now for me. I got this thing called strawberry. I've had strawberry before, but it's like Phantom.
Yeah, Phantom, I think.
Phantom.
Oh,
No, it's Fantai.
No,
Okay,
I think it was Sunkeist.
Okay, here's some Sunkeist. It is red. I got it without the hard water because I don't really want a lot of, spices in my drink. So it came with a yellow straw. I don't like the orange to yellow scale and the ugly KFC brown. So let's try it. Wait. It doesn't really taste like strawberry. It tastes like a berry, but with like one of these. I think it's called a straw. I don't know, but let's put that off to the side. So again, here we go. And we are going to now try this with the QQB sauce. I've already opened it to make sure it's not contaminated. And that almost spilt. But, okay, so since he did the drink first, I will do this first. I'm going to start off with a Spanish, German, Chinese, Japanese, American fry. And it looks like it has a lot of texture.
I think it has some Armenian in it.
Yeah, I see a lot of spicinini. And my fingers are greasy. I don't really like that. But it's very flimsy and it's going into my mouth.
Oh, God.
tastes like a wet, cold noodle. I hate this. It's cold. I mean, we bought this like a second after we started this video, or a second before, whatever you want to say. It's trash. And why don't you try the biscuit now?
Alright, so as you can see, this this is...
How do you get the Chinese fry?
Alright, this is a circular shaped biscuit, and it is... Are you okay? Okay. Alright. It has some brown on it. Alright. It looks like it's perfectly cooked, but you never know what one of the employees might have snuck in there. So you can break it in half. You can see the line right there.
Ooh, I see that.
So it's just
Ooh.
try that real quick. It's very what? Oh.
Are you okay? Are you okay?
Oh.
What did it taste like?
Tasted like plain butter. Look, dude, that I could basically taste a whole stick of butter in that. Very wet for a biscuit.
So, for the finale, we have the KFC signature chicken. I guess it's their signature or something.
I think it's shrimp.
Yeah. So,
Chicken.
here it is. I mean, it's a lot of bumps in it. I mean, let me try to take a piece off. That was very... All I feel is crunch.
No chicken in there at all.
This doesn't look good. So, Jackson, why don't you pick up one of your KFC, I mean, it's like a drumstick, like, for like a band, you know, the So let's try the crisp.
It's really, apparently all the skin comes, I don't see any chicken right there. So apparently a lot of the skin comes off, and,
Let's try some of the crisp skin. Tastes like water in regular form. Spicy.
alright, I'm gonna try the, damp skin.
Are you good, bro? Okay, now for the finale. Chicken with the QQB sauce. Okay? I'm going to let my co-mate, Jackson, try some as well. Here you go, my good sir.
Jackson is very grateful.
So...
But Jackson doesn't eat shrimp.
Shrimp?
Yeah, shrimp.
Oh.
You get double pieces, and I will eat some of my chicken.
Okay, so...
I don't want to take any of your chicken.
Okay, thank you, my good sir. So I'm going to do a double clip, a double bite, and see if the flavor is a mouthful. Actually, I don't like no barbecue sauce. We are severely sorry that we made such inappropriate gestures as to laugh. I want to keep this as sophisticated as possible. So neither of us like barbecue sauce, so I just had to do that. So, I'm sorry, barbecue sauce, but you're not going to be eaten. So, and now, to wrap it all up, we are going to rate it out of 10 on the overallness. So, you go first.
Well, I'm gonna have to take a bite of the wet butter one more time, and I'm gonna have to take a bite of everything one more time
Yeah, I'll do the same.
to get a succulent flavor of it. Oh, you haven't tasted that yet.
Yeah, I haven't tasted my butter on a stick.
And I haven't tasted my fries yet.
Oh, yeah.
Whatever kind of fries.
So we are going to try to mask our feelings toward it for this last one so we don't give away what we think. Okay, so Jackson, what do you rate it?
Out of 10, I rate it. Well, when we picked it up, it was very good customer service. Wish we had a video of it.
Yeah.
But it took I ordered after my friend here, Ben, and they gave me my food first.
Which was unacceptable. I mean, I worked so hard to get in front of Jackson in the line so I could get my succulent food first. And I ordered it. I paid for it. They gave me my receipt. Then he was thinking and thinking. Then he finally ordered this, and he got it way before me. I was depressed. So in result, what do you rate this?
I rate it a 2 out of hate that chicken. 10. Hate that chicken. Hate.
Okay, I agree with you. So you said 3, right?
2.
2 out of 10. Hate that chicken. Okay. So to wrap it all up, in my opinion, this here food, I guess that's what they call it. Sorry, KFC, this was not that enjoyable. To be honest, I would give this 3 out of 10 retarded people.
And in case anybody wants to know how we got there, because it's kind of a far walk.
Yeah, I don't like that either.
His dad drove us there.
My father.
And he also drove us back so we could get this video started as fast as possible.
Thank you, Father.
R.I.P. Father.
And I'd like to give a shout out to KFC for making this food, even though it was not enjoyable at all. I guess it's still food. People in Africa probably still wouldn't want this, but so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Please comment down what you would give this out of 10 if you had it, and comment your experiences with KFC. And I'm Ben Simon.
Yeah, I'm Jackson Wooltree.
And goodbye.